Welcome everyone! And welcome back to Michelle Quintia Vlogs channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you will also click on the like on this video, subscribe, and also turn on all the notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And this is episode 3 of our Ikea home makeover and haul. I will be unboxing some of the furnitures that I got from Ikea, and together let's style our new home. Welcome to our new home. I would love for you to follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. I am awaiting Ikea delivery today and I'm all sweaty. It was raining yesterday and today I think the southwest monsoon has already went away. I hope, because my other home in a different area is being repainted today, the facade. Shout out to Fred Asukro who is painting the exterior of our home today in a different location. It will be on sale as well in the near future. Once the renovation is done, I will be posting that and we will be doing a house tour. And what else can I say? I am wearing makeup today. Unlike our second episode, I wasn't wearing any makeup because that's reality, is what I mentioned. And yeah, I'm all sweaty now. I'm on my way to our mini market just outside our village and I'm just walking my way there.
10 seconds later.
Can we just appreciate the avocados in front of me? That's an avocado tree. I'm just so lucky I have a neighbor who has planted a lot of fruit-bearing trees. Speaking of avocado, guys, shout out to Doc Joe. He just gave me a bunch. 3, 6, 9, 11 pieces of avocados. My gosh. Thank you so much, Doc Joe and Doc Elizabeth, for this avocados. That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. I love avocados. I will be unboxing some of the furnitures that I got from Ikea. I signed up for an assembler for some of the furnitures, most especially for the couch. An Ikea assembler will be coming apart from the delivery. I'm awaiting for the delivery and then the assembler will follow. Some of the small stuff will be assembled by me and that's it. Hello guys, I just got back from the mini market. That's why I'm all sweaty. I just want to say that if you notice something different about the editing of this video, it's not me, it's Cassia Aloe. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for editing this for free. And if someone wants an editor, you can contact her. I will write down her contact details on the description if you're interested. Shout out to you. Thank you, dear.
20 minutes later.
Tingin ko andyan na yung Ikea, guys. Ikea.
Tapos ito po mo. Tapos yung 2052 ito siya.
Yo!
Ito na yung side table mo na. Ito na yung step stool. Ito na yung couch. Ito naman yung i-vacuum ko. Baking soda. So I already sprinkled some baking soda on top of our carpet. And I'm done with the couch as well. I've already vacuumed it. I forgot to film it. But now we will be time-lapsing this carpet over here in the installation.
One winner later.
So apparently this seat over here is a bit noisy. See? So I will be putting some adhesive felt for this 3-step ladder over here. I mean step stool. Now let's put this to the test. Oh, diba? See? It's not making any noise anymore. Ay, meron pa rin konti. But it's okay. At least it's not that loud anymore. I mean, it's not loud actually. It's now as silent as it can. See? Ta-da! Nice.
5 minutes later.
Ta-da! This is not perfect, but it's okay. I will just retouch this with paint and it'll be fine, right? So let's try turning it on, how it looks. Ta-da! Let's remove this stuff over here. Ta-da! Okay, let's remove my latex glove over here. Ta-da! Zoom natin konti. Yan. All of this should not be here. Put those away. Put those away. The reality of life. Ta-da! Yan. Let's go like this. Yan. Let's see on our zoomed out. Ay, dapat wala ring ilaw. Let's plug this in as well. Ta-da! Yan. Ay, ano ba naman to? There. Cute.
Just then.
This is how our home is currently looking. As you can see, the carpet is the same color as the walls outside. So we're doing a cohesive design over here. This leaf over here is the same color with the couch. And then we will be playing around with the throws over here. I'm still thinking of which colors I will choose. We have a bit of orange over here. I think I will be putting some pop of colors over here with a tint or somewhat like yellowish throws over here or some accessories. But for the meantime, I will be assembling this over here. But I think this looks better if I will stain this furniture first before assembling them. So I think I will be doing that on a later day. For now, we will just be enjoying this setup over here. And I'm so tired already.
One nap later.
So this is how our sectional looks like right now. This is our coffee table. Let's assemble this together. This is from Ikea as well. It's called... Let's go. It says in the information to wipe clean with a damp cloth. So that's what I did. Assembly fastenings are properly tightened and retightened when necessary. And dahil na over-tighten ko, merong isang sobrang lubog. Eh, sabi, i-tighten daw eh. And, ayun, just follow the instructions. Very easy. That's it.
Just then.
And because we have a pet cat, this is the temporary solution so they won't scratch this sectional. But unfortunately yesterday she was able to scratch this side. But I already shaved this area out, so it's not that noticeable anymore. And link of the how to remove scratches from your couch is in the description box. So now we will fold these two throw blankets so that they'll look aesthetically nice. And these throw pillows over here, which are called fujadrar, whatever. We will also fluff this inside our throw covers over here from Ikea as well. 4 pieces. That is what we're gonna do in time lapse once again. Ta-da! This is the end of our mini makeover for now. So as you can see, there are no contrasting colors as of the moment. I am planning to add 2 more pillows with a tint of bluish, grayish, or yellowish, because we have a bit of yellow over here, as you can see. I'm training my cat to not go on top of the couch. That's why there are cat treats over there. So as what I was saying, I will be putting 2 more pillows with contrasting color. It's a bit too plain for me for now. I did not make a mood board for this. I am just going with the flow. So there. That is all it for our 3-part special of doing an Ikea home makeover, living room and walk-in closet. And if ever I will be buying some more items from Ikea, I will let you know. I will bring you along with our Ikea shopping haul once again in the future, because for now we are saving up because we've been buying a lot of stuff lately and our budget does not permit buying some more for this house. So well, it's easier to clean up if we only have a few items inside, so let's just appreciate the positive side of not spending a lot. That's it. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below because it really supports my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, and that's it. Stay safe everyone. Thanks for joining me. God bless. Bye.